Hello everybody, and I am going to go over how to determine how many units of blood are going to be needed when you're given some information about a patient's specific blood type. So in this exercise, a patient's antibodies are identified as anti-K, anti-JKA, and anti-E. So what that means is they have antibodies to those particular blood groups. And you need to know how many red blood cell units are needed to find 2 antigen negative units. So because these people have antibodies, you need to make sure that the blood units that they're going to get does not have any of the antigens in it. Otherwise, you'd have a reaction. The antigens occur in the population with the following frequency: E 30%, K 9%, and JKA 77%. So what that means is the frequency of E in the population is 30%. So we need to find out what the percentage is that does not have E, as well as K and JKA. So the first thing you need to do is find the percentages. So we'll take 1 minus 0.3. That would be for the anti-E. Then we also need to find the percentage of anti-K. So that would be 1 minus 0.09. And then anti-JKA would be 1 minus 0.77. And that's going to give your percentage of the units available that would be negative for E, K, and JKA. So that would give us the same as, this is 0.7 times 0.91 times 0.23. And you multiply those out and you should get 0.15. So 0.15 is the percentage, or 15% is the percentage that you would find a blood unit negative for E, K, and JKA. But the problem is we need to find 2 units that are negative. So what we need to do is we need to figure out the proportion. So we have 15 out of 100, which is equal to 15%. And you need to find how many units it would take to find 2 out of the total population of units that you have available. So when you do a cross proportion, you would get 15x equals 2 times 100. That's also equal to 15x times equals 200. And then you just solve for x. So x would equal 200 divided by 15. And that's going to be 13 point something. And because it's a partial unit, you would need to screen 14 units of blood approximately to find 2 units that would be negative for E, K, and JKA.